Yeah, hi lads, it's Mark again. Disc number 4. All working, all done for you. Let's see that there. Yeah, this is actually the VAU 1252. So yeah, that's an older model, but that one's working. That's fine. No problems with that at all. Bit dirty. Giving it a good clean up for you. Put a new laser in there for you. And again, all working as it should do. And you should have many happy years of fun with that one. So yeah, thank you very much for that. I'll just turn that up for you so you can listen to it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much, and I hope you're very happy. Thank you.